Well, hi, everybody. You did it. You got me to 10,000 subscribers yesterday. Thank you so much for taking time to subscribe and watch the videos and getting me to that milestone. I'm not a big channel, but 10,000 subscribers to me is a big deal. I say it a lot and I mean it a lot. Thank you for taking the time to watch my videos, comment, and subscribing. I feel like I've gotten to know a big handful of you around the United States and around the world. You know, I really enjoy exchanging ideas with you guys from all around the world: Australia, Canada, Europe, and now every state in the United States, including Alaska and Hawaii. That's pretty cool. Hitting this milestone is going to re-energize me. I promise we're going to get out some good videos for you going forward. Big shout out and thank you to my wife, because without her I simply couldn't produce and put out the quality of video we do. Again, thanks for spending time with me out here in eastern Iowa in the United States. So long, everybody. Thank you so much.